Here is a typography idea for you. I have the image that you want to select the text tool and type in the text for the font. I am using Dharma Gothic font. Right-click and convert to shape. Press Ctrl-T and then press right-click and select Wrap. Now using handle adjust the text according to the object. Hold Ctrl and click to take selection, hide it. Select the image and create layer mask. Then select the layer and press BTP brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white. And paint around the areas you want to bring back. And there you go.